How to get cashbacks on meals using Rakuten. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a very simple guide on how to get the cashback on meals. So let's just dive right into the video and we should be able to get it. So what we can do is we can just go over and go to Rakuten website or the application and sign up for free. This right here is where we should be able to get cashback and it will be tracked and stored. So what we can do is the next step is link our credit or debit card. So from this section, we can go to the dining or in-store section. So click on Rakuten Dining. And once we click on it, we'll be headed towards the space. We can click on this option called Start Earning and go ahead and add up a payment option. So here, add up your card. And this is the key. Cashback only works if you pay with a linked card. So go ahead and link up a card first of all. And once you have linked a card, what we can do is we can find participating restaurants. So go ahead and look out for the option for restaurants here. So we can search for specific restaurants or browse nearby restaurants here and find restaurants here. Once you find specific restaurants, all we gotta do is open up that page, and Rakuten works with 20,000 plus restaurants offering around 5% cashback. So we even have these restaurants available. For this restaurant right here, we have 12% cashback. So you can just go and check it out. After that, you can click on shop now, or you can visit the restaurant and pay with a linked card. You can just go over and view it. No coupons, no codes needed, and cashback will be added back to your account after dining. Usually within 4 to 5 days. It's super easy. That's it. It's fully automatic once you've created a card or linked your card. And you can always earn the cash back when ordering food online as well. You can just go and follow this method and search for food delivery partner and click on shop now. And that way you should be able to place your order normally and get the cash back after confirmation. And that's it, everybody. For now, you can just go over and follow this method and you should be able to get cash back. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.